Oh. Hey guys, it's Excuse It's Red Air Disney here. And we're kinda bummed out or tired for some
But this is
reason.
the mysterious ticking noise with our hands.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that mysterious ticking? Look here. Over there. It's kind of happy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore! Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore! Ron Weasley! Ron Weasley! Hermione! 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 Harry Potter! 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 That's me! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Dumbledore! Hermione! Dumbledore! Ron Weasley! Ron Weasley! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts! I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb! Yay! Voldemort, Voldemort, oh Voldemort. Wow.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed that.
Mysterious ticking
Yeah,
noise.
and yeah. So, yeah, how do you stop this?
Try going here. Try pressing that button right there.
Right here?
Yes.